the unparalleled precision strike missile of 21st century. Capable of being fired from large standoff ranges from land, sea and air platforms in day and night and all weather conditions, BrahMos has become the ultimate weapon of choice for the Indian Armed Forces. The universal missile has established itself as a major force multiplier in modern-day battlefield with multi-role, multi-target and multi-platform launch capabilities. Utilizing best technological capabilities of India and Russia, BrahMos Aerospace has created a unique product within the shortest realization time in the world. Since its maiden successful launch conducted on the 12th of June 2001 after its creation in February 1998, BrahMos has undergone a world-beating record of more than 100 test firings to date from different platforms in divergent scenarios, charting the highest rate of success and validating its superiority. The formidable BrahMos, integrated with land, sea and air platforms, has completely redefined across the spectrum warfare dimensions of modern times. It has become a war-winning combination capable of sending shivers down the enemy's spine by neutralizing any target at sea or on ground with pinpoint accuracy in the shortest possible time. BrahMos has charted a global milestone by exporting the first full-scale military system of India to a friendly nation. The first ever export contract involving the formidable BrahMos weapon complex for the Philippine Navy's shore-based anti-ship missile acquisition project has transformed the far-sighted mine-to-market strategy into a reality.
Shore-based weapon complex system is in much demand. This consists of mobile launchers, mobile command post and mobile radar for target tracking. Various countries have shown keen interest in this one. First export breakthrough in the year 2022 has given us a major headway in the international market and placed us in the Make for the World League.
The Design in India, Make in India and Make for India efforts by the JV entity has resulted in setting up of a robust missile industrial consortium.
Today we have significantly raised the indigenization level in the missile system, which is a testament of our long-standing successful alliance with all our industrial partners, including the MSMEs, in close coordination with DRDO. We have also steadily increased the indigenous technological content in the BrahMos and improved the weapon's overall functional and operational parameters. The dedicated BrahMos Manufacturing Center being set up in Lucknow as a part of the UP Defence Industrial Corridor will be a major addition to the existing BrahMos production facilities across the country. Lucknow unit will expedite the production, integration and assembly of BrahMos systems to meet the growing demand for the missiles both in the national and international sphere. This state-of-art facility would subsequently roll out the new, more advanced BrahMos NG weapon systems in future. In coordination with DRDO and NPOM, we intend to set up dedicated technology clusters for the design and development of BrahMos NG variants. These technological clusters would cater to the incubation and development of niche technologies needed for developing the next generation BrahMos NG variant, which will help us maintain our competitive edge in the world market.
Jai Hind.